Today in this video, we're going to discuss some practical interview questions regarding contactor. So what is a contactor and why we're using the contactor, the purpose of using the contactor and how does it work? Let's discuss regarding this without wasting much time. First of all, let's talk about what is a contactor and why we're using the contactor. So a contactor is an electrically controlled switch which is used for switching an electrical power circuit, typically for high current loads like electric motors, lighting systems, and heating elements, etc. So, how does a contactor work? So, the core principle is the conversion of electrical energy into magnetic force. When the current flows through the coil, it creates a magnetic field that pulls an armature, which in turn closes the main contacts to supply the power to the load. So in this way, the contactor works. So this is the basic regarding the contactors and basic practical interview questions regarding the contactors. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.